Hey guys, okay, so I got this new product. It's this blow dryer. Actually, my mom got it for me. It's called Revair, and I'm just so excited about it, like how it's straightening my hair. I was like, I gotta record this. This is like crazy. So here's a little chamber. My hair is gonna go inside there. I've already parted my hair into different sections, and I just want y'all to see it real quick. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. I was looking for something that I could use that would be easy for me, and this is just so easy or whatever. Like, it's a game changer. It is a game changer. Like, I can't believe it. I cannot even believe it. I'm gonna try this. Let's try this piece. Well, so I'm just gonna do small pieces and see. It's my new favorite thing. It is kind of loud, but I'm just like, I didn't even get it like fully straight. Like, my roots are still a little crunchy, but let me try to get this piece one more time. Y'all, first of all, it's so easy, but it is so easy. Like, for me, who I don't do hair at all whatsoever. Like, I am not the hair girl. I love to have my hair done. I love all things beauty, but I'm just so like impressed. I'm impressed. Let me get this last bit right here. And we're done. Obviously, I'm about to, straighten it and stuff. But now I feel more comfortable about flattering my hair, because they always be like, you gotta make sure that your hair is dried properly, and it is. It's dried perfectly. Like, I would walk out with my hair like this, even though it's not done, but just like, you know, natural hair vibe. Yeah, absolutely. Like, I might need to trim my ends or whatever, but like, perfect. 10 out of a 10. Yes,